So I've started my Thai tool collection. Just some opening spanners for wood, just for small maintenance. Allen keys. See what can go. Pliers, stubbies, side cutters. Little socket set, just enough for a small maintenance. Screwdriver bits. Now these, I really like the screwdriver with, because it's got a decent girth to the handle. I can really get some power on that bastard. And it's got this little bastard here, so you're getting metal on metal if you need to smack the fuck out of it. Pretty good. Ah, this thing is fucking awesome. With a little screwdriver. There we go. Not much speed, but it's got some torque to it. Good thing about this one is you can turn around and there you go. Hold your fucking uncle. Little guide light and a light at the back. How sweet is that? Hey. Look at the Ryobi, but this one, not just cheaper, but the functionality I really liked with it. Anyway, that's coming back to Australia. Using that on my workbench for sure. Tape measures. Little bits and pieces. And this is a decent knife, eh? This one here. I prefer if it had the screw bit to hold this in place, but it feels good in the hand, solid. Really get some power on that bastard. Anyway, that's my tools. I want to whack a saddle just here, so when you're using these taps, you're not getting that fucking annoying noise. Man, that first order of business is to mark where you want your saddle to go. Admittedly, this one's still too small, but it's going to do the job. So I'll mark that sucker there. When I get a good crush on that, that's where the holes are going to end up. So check that fucker out, eh? It's not mine. That's my wife's sister's husband's. Borrow it for this job. Yeah, I'll be using 8 gauge 3/4 pan head self tappers, stainless steel, I believe. Time will tell. Anyway, I've got my bit. Whack that sucker in. Good to fucking go, son. Okay, so steady she goes. Let's make sure I've got the right fucking one first, eh? Yeah, Bob's your uncle there. Placing in, make sure she's down hard there. Ka-dunk. Yeah. loose there. Cavity in the concrete wall. Should be right. Yeah, I'll get enough purchase on that. Enough purchase. Whack that fucker in. Place it where I want. Okay, suck it down. Gonna need a big one there. It's alright. Take that out. There's my long ones. I've got this one here. There you go. Now I got these ones here when I was doing the sink installation. This fucker here. Come here along with screw, I think. Like that. I'll get that marker in there for sure, boy. For sure. Yeah, there you go. They must have been farting in church. Oh, I just not like that. We'll see. Yeah, I reckon I'll get that. Getting old. Yeah, stop the parking church. Good on you. Yeah, that'll do it. Nip, nip, nip. Nip, nip. I'll put this here, I don't know if you can see that, little thing at the back, just to hold it squarish. It's not level with the wall, so I don't want to put any pressure on these joints, so I've just left it, tried to maintain the same gap that was originally there. I'll do that one. That's what my wife wanted. Let's check it out. Oh, look at that. Hey. No rattle. Who would have thought? Hey. Job done. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I've just started fucking around with the audio, trying to get a nice sound level. So if you got some feedback for me, please leave a comment, or give me some advice. I'm always willing to listen if you've got the time or inclination, and if you don't have the time or inclination, go fuck yourself. Just joking. Cheers guys, see ya.